You run a business, you manage capital, you make decisions under time pressure. You feel that Germany needs structures that protect planning and investment. Current reports from the German Council of Economic Experts and leading research institutes show the same picture. Long procedures, high administrative load, unclear processes. This affects your projects and your growth path. You want guidance for the years ahead. Here is a clear direction. India reports real GDP growth of 8.2%. Consumer price inflation was around 0.25% in October, according to official government data. This creates stability. This creates room for investment. This creates planning capacity for companies and households. The Netherlands introduced the Environment and Planning Act in 2024. This framework combines numerous environmental and construction procedures in one system. Companies can start their permits through one digital portal. For you, this means less friction, better oversight, more predictable timelines. Saudi Arabia is building a digital land registry. The Responsible Real Estate Authority uses a blockchain-based system for property registration and transitional ownership units. For investors, this creates clear ownership data and faster transactions. Temple's Global Blockchain Solutions Alliance gives you practical structures. You receive access to growth-focused jurisdictions. You receive procedures that protect data and assets through post-quantum encryption. 3 models for your business: Germany, Netherlands. Project model: India, Europe. Data model: blockchain real estate model. If you want to know what this means for your company, request the Temple's location check. If you run a business and want a clear direction, this is your next step.